Hi, welcome back. Today, hopefully, we're going to figure out what's wrong with the car. So, little backstory, I had oil leaking from the drain, so I had to address that. And I had to take the entire turbo off to get to the wastegate spring so I could change the wastegate spring. When doing so, I disconnected the alternator. And I took it out, but I didn't disconnect the battery. I know, I'm an idiot. This positive here grounded out on some metal, made a bunch of sparks, whatever. Well, now that I got the car back together, I went to go start it. It would crank over, but it would not actually start. None of my lights would turn on in my dash. My fuel pump wasn't turning on, and my AFR gauge, which is tied to my fuel pump fuse, wasn't turning on. But my radio turned on, so that was kind of weird. And the starter worked. I'm thinking I blew a fuse. Unfortunately, my multimeter battery is dead, so I can't use that, so all I got is a test light. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Make sure we got, okay. So obviously the battery has power. Fuse box coming in. We got power, great. This fuse box going out. I think this is out. No power. Okay, so we got power here. So none of the dash lights also come on in the car, so I'm thinking it's a main fuse somewhere that's stopping things from turning on. I can't test this one because I don't have a multimeter because there's no pins for me to check on there. What I can do is test this fuse here. So we got power to that, that's good. Okay, no power coming out of that. So that fuse is no good. That is, I don't know what that is. 100 amp maybe? It's a big fuse. So I guess I need to find one of those. And hopefully no other fuses went. These are not working. So now what we're going to do is see if I got one of these fuses inside this car. Dang, that car is low. Okay, let's find the fuse box. I also have issues with batteries. The only working battery I have is for my truck, and that is not the right type of fuses. So that's out. Let's close this back up. I bet you this one has a fuse. I need to fix that. I really don't want to take this fuse. This is my only working vehicle. If this thing blows, I'm kind of screwed. And I don't see that fuse in here. Yeah, I probably shouldn't even be looking at this. Relays. Yeah, I just need to go and find that fuse somewhere, either at a salvage yard or maybe an auto parts store carry it. I don't know. But for now, I guess I'll get my battery back in here. I'm gonna have to address this. I don't know if I can buy a new one of these or not. So anyway, thank you for watching. Diagnosing issues usually doesn't go that quick for me, but I had a pretty good idea what was wrong because I knew where I fucked up. So that definitely helped. Hopefully that's all I gotta do is change that fuse out and everything else is good. Aloha, peace out, catch you in the next one.